Today we're going to take a look at the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector. Now this is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2016 and newer Nissan Altima sedans. And on a custom fit part, I always like to recommend to go to our website, use our fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if these will work for your application. Now this part will provide this 4-way flat trailer connector at the back of your vehicle to power your trailer's signal lights. It is compatible with 5-pole, 6-pole, and 7-pole adapters that we do sell separately. All this does connect very quickly and easily. Basically, you just locate your connection points, which are in the rear cargo area behind the tail lights. Plug in these T connectors, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. Ground your white wire here, and then you'll have this separate power wire that you'll run to your vehicle's battery. Now this does include the tail light converter. This is to ensure that your vehicle's wiring will match that of your trailer. It is a powered module. That's why you'll connect this power wire to your vehicle's battery. And the reason they do that is to avoid overloading your vehicle's electrical system. This converter is constructed using SMT, or surface mount technology. Gives you a nice, consistent, reliable performance. Helps maximize your trailer light yield and intensity while producing minimal heat. And it ensures superior operation in rough road conditions. Also comes with this nice rubber dust cap for your 4-way. And what's nice about that is you can just attach it to the 4-way plug, and then when you're not plugged into your trailer, you just put your 4-way dust cap over the terminals, and that'll protect them from any damage or from the elements. These parts are made in the USA. A few specs on this: on the maximum amperage for the stop and turn light circuits is 3 amps per circuit. For the tail light circuit is 6 amps. And just to go over how this installs briefly, just to give you an idea of where all these parts go, what you'll want to do is, again, it gives you a nice set of detailed instructions that'll describe how to install everything and even give you pictures of where your connections are. Basically what you'll do is start at the rear again, go access your rear cargo area, and you'll want to start probably on the driver's side. You'll take this T connector, it has the yellow wire in it, that's the driver's side, and you'll find your connectors behind the taillight, unplug the harness, and then these will tee into that. You'll have this white wire with the eyelet on it. That you want to connect to a good clean ground if there's one nearby. If not, they give you a grounding screw that you can make your own ground. And then you'll take the other T connector with the green wire, that's for the passenger side, and you'll run this length of wire over to the passenger side. Do the same behind the tail light, plug this in. Once those are all plugged in, what you want to do is your converter here, you do want to attach this to a surface so it doesn't bounce around. They do give you a piece of double-face tape that you can attach it down with. And then you have your last brown or your black wire, which is your power wire. This is what needs to run up to the front of the vehicle to your vehicle's battery. And they give you this extra length of wire to do that. And then you'll take one of your butt connectors, put it on that power wire coming out of the converter, put it on this length of wire, and then run it all the way up to the front. Once you get to the front, you'll take your other end. You don't want to connect it directly to the battery. You want to run it through the inline fuse holder. So you take your other butt connector, put it on this end, attach it to one side of your fuse connector, just like that. And then your other side of your fuse connector, you have this eyelet they include. You put that on there, and this will connect to your vehicle's battery. Once that's all connected, pop open your fuse holder. They include your 10-amp fuse. Push it into place. Put your cap back on there, and you'll be all ready to go. Now, they do include some cable ties to take up any slack in the wiring. But that should do it for the review of the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.